They always told us to save. From a young age, we were taught to put money aside for a rainy day. The piggy bank, the savings account, the idea that if you just keep saving, one day you'll have enough. And they told us to work hard. The grind, the hustle, the 9 to 5, the overtime. The belief that hard work alone is the key to financial success. But here's the thing. They never taught us the hidden strategies, the secrets of the wealthy, the things that could change our financial future forever. Owning digital assets is the new wealth code. In a world that's rapidly digitizing, these assets are becoming the cornerstone of modern wealth. And here's why they don't want you to know. The traditional financial system thrives on our ignorance. The less we know, the more they profit. Traditional advice tells us to save, retire at 65, and hope that our savings last. It's a system designed to keep us working for as long as possible, maybe enjoy life at 70. But the elite, they have a different playbook. They create once, sell forever. They understand the power of digital assets and leverage them to generate continuous income. They build digital assets, courses, templates, newsletters, AI-powered tools, and cash in repeatedly. These assets work for them, even when they're not working. While we're trading hours for dollars, stuck in the cycle of exchanging time for money, they're scaling their income effortlessly. Their digital assets generate revenue around the clock. So, what's a digital asset? It's a piece of content or a tool that you create once and can sell multiple times. A digital asset is anything you can make once and monetize repeatedly. Notion templates, printables, AI-generated content, niche blogs, automations. These assets don't sleep, don't need managers, and don't ask for raises. They work tirelessly, generating income without the need for constant oversight. Imagine earning money while you're out with friends, enjoying your life without the constant worry of finances, or even while you sleep. Your digital assets continue to work for you, generating income 24/7. That's the power of digital assets. They provide a level of financial freedom that traditional jobs simply can't offer. But why isn't this taught in schools? Because the system benefits from keeping us in the dark, because it threatens the system. It's leverage, it's freedom. And freedom is a threat to the status quo, and anyone can start, no coding, no big money. The barriers to entry are lower than ever. This information is hidden because it disrupts traditional structures. It empowers individuals to take control of their financial destiny. It's the insider secret that's slowly leaking out. More and more people are discovering the power of digital assets. So, if you've been sticking to the old advice, it's time to rethink. The world is changing, and so should your approach to wealth. Start exploring digital assets today. Unlock hidden wealth. The opportunities are endless, and the potential is vast. The new wealth code is right at your fingertips. All it takes is a shift in mindset and a willingness to learn. Don't let them keep this secret from you any longer. Take control. Empower yourself with the knowledge and tools to build your own digital empire. Create once and sell forever. Thanks for watching. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. If you found this valuable, hit like and subscribe. Join our community of forward thinkers and digital pioneers. See you in the next video. Together, we can unlock the secrets to lasting wealth and freedom.